diagram. Today we are going to study block diagram of communication system. What do you mean by communication system? Very first, you should know what is a communication. Can anybody tell me what is a communication? Communication is the transfer of information from one place to another. Is it? Yes. So we'll see what is the block diagram of communication system. In order to transfer any information from one place to another place, what we need? We need input, transducer, transmitter and receiver, and in between that there should be a channel, isn't it? So if your signal is analog signal, and nowadays all the communication is done in digital environment, so we need to transmit that in we need to convert that in terms of digital information. So we require transducer. So there will be a one input transducer which converts that analog signal and to digital signal. Then we require transmitter to transmit that signal to the receiver. In between transmitter and receiver there should be a channel, and at the end we will receive that information. Now what is the job of input transducer? As I said before, this message produced by source must be converted by transducer to form a suitable form of particular type of communication system. Example, which example we can say? In electrical communications, speech waves are converted by microwave to voltage variation, or else if the data is analog, we can convert that in terms of digital with the help of analog to digital converter. Transmitter processes the input signal to produce a signal suits to characteristics of the transmission channel. So signal processing element can be a ADC, it can be a filter, it can be any device which makes that signal suitable to transmit over the channel. Now channel can be can have a different forms. The atmosphere, it can be a coaxial cable, it can be wired or wireless. Okay? Now receiver's function is to extract the desired signal from the received signal at the channel output and to convert it from suitable for the output transducer. The other functions performed by the receiver: amplification. The received signal may be extremely weak, demodulation and filter. Yes, if the received signal is weak, what we can do? We can use here amplifiers to give the strength to that signal. Now output transducer. Now whatever signal we will get, that will be in terms of digital signal. We can convert that in terms of analog signal once again with the help of output transducers. So to be transmitted, information data must be transferred to the in terms of with the help of wired channel or wireless channel. This is the example of wireless communication. So in the wireless communication there will be a different frequency bands, right from very low frequency to ultraviolet frequency. Ground wave propagation, sky wave propagation and line of sight propagation, these are the ways of propagations. Now you should know analog and digital information. What is the definition of analog signal? What is the definition of digital signal? Analog signal is a continuous signal and digital signal is having values only 0 and 1. These are the examples of analog signals and digital signal. Analog signal varies with respect to time, while digital signal has a specific value for a specific time. Thank you.